And some news that's breaking this minute. With the bail plea of P. Chidambaram set for hearing in the Supreme Court tomorrow, the CBI files a counter-appeal in the top court. Contests favourable observations of the High Court in favour of P. Chidambaram. Alright, those are the details that are coming in at this point. The CBI's plea against P. Chidambaram. Now with the bail plea, remember, of former Finance Minister P. Chidambaram set for hearing in the Supreme Court tomorrow, we're now given to understand that the CBI has filed a counter-appeal in the top court. It has contested favourable observations of the High Court in favour of Chidambaram. Let me go across to our Deputy News Editor Meenakshi Bhanja with further updates. Yes, Meenakshi, over to you. Can you take us through the latest?
Well, that's right, Apurva. Our viewers will recall that it was Honorable Justice Suresh Ket of the Delhi High Court who had gone ahead and dismissed the bail plea of P. Chidambaram, but he had made certain notings in that particular ruling, which the CBI today is challenging in a counter-appeal before the top court. Remember, this is happening in the backdrop of the Supreme Court all set to hear the regular bail plea of P. Chidambaram, which is challenging the dismissal order of the Honorable Delhi High Court. And the hearing is slated for tomorrow here in the Supreme Court. But right before the hearing, the agency has today moved to Supreme Court, which is challenging these favourable notings made earlier by the Delhi High Court. For instance, our viewers will recall that while the High Court had dismissed the bail of Mr. Chidambaram on the grounds that he has substantial standing in the bar and there's a possibility that he could influence witnesses, it had also noted as to how Mr. Chidambaram is not at a flight risk. And secondly, the High Court had noted that all the documents which are in the realm of evidence are already in the agency's possession. So these were the two favourable notings which are now being challenged by the CBI in the Supreme Court.
All right, we'll have to leave it there, Meenakshi. Many thanks for joining us with those updates.